In today's class, we are going to discuss a very important topic of reasoning, that is direction sense. On the right hand side, we call it east. On the left hand side, direction is west. On our head, direction is north. Downward is direction south. In between east and north, direction is northeast. In between west and north, direction is northwest. Similarly, in between south and west, we call the direction as southwest, and in between south and east, direction is southeast. So this is my direction needle. Here you can see I have written a table which will help us in solving the questions based on directions in just seconds. So I am going to explain you questions first with the direction chart, and next how we can apply this table short trick in the direction questions. So let's get started. My first question here is, a man starts from a point and walks 2 km north. Let's say my point is this. North direction will be upwards. This will be east, west, north and south. So in the question it is, a man starts from a point and walks 2 km north. So the man has walked 2 kilometers, then turn right. So if I am standing like this will be my right. Turns right and walks 2 km again. Then turn right again. If I am standing like this will be my right direction. Turns right and walks 2 km again. What direction is he facing now? See, if it is north, downward direction will be my south. So right now the man is facing in the south direction. The answer to this question will be south. I am explaining it again. A man starts from a point and walks 2 km north. North will be in the upward direction. Turns right. If I am standing like this will be my right hand. Turns right and walks 2 km. Now I am facing like this and walks 2 km. Turn right again. This will be my right direction. Which direction is he facing now? Upward is north. Opposite of north will be south. So this is how we can solve this question by drawing a direction chart. Next is how to apply short trick and solve it in seconds. So just note down the words. First it is north, right, right. Okay. So it will be like this. North. Then I am going to write right plus right. Okay. Right plus right. Now look in the table. Right plus right is down. So result of right plus right will be down. And downward direction of north is south. So directly with this table I can write answer as south. He has started with north, then right plus right means downward, and downward of north will be south. So with this table we can solve in just seconds. Let's solve one more question. Ramu walks 5 km towards west. Now first I have to mark west direction. 5 kilometers towards west. This is the west direction. This is west. So opposite will be east. Okay. Ramu walks 5 kilometers towards west. So this is 5 km and this is his starting point. Turns right. If he is walking like this, right direction will be upward and walks 3 kilometers. Turns right and walks 3 kilometers. Standing like this, then turns left. Left will be here and walks 2 kilometers. Further, she turns left and walks 3 kilometers. Turns left and walks 3 kilometers. Finally, she is standing like this. Finally, she turns right. Right will be here and walks 3 kilometers more. What direction is he facing? He is facing the same direction with which, yes, started. So our answer here will be west only. We can solve the same question using this table. So start pointing out the keywords. The first here is Ramu walks towards west. So west will be my first keyword, and then right and left. So point will be west, then right plus left. Okay, look in the table now. Right plus left means up. Up means same direction and down means opposite direction. So result of west, R plus L, will be west again. Okay, now next left and right. So result of left plus right. Look in the table again. Left plus right means up. So result will be same direction, which is west. So this is how, without making direction chart, using this table, we can solve the question. Solve one more question to make the concept more clear. My question here is, a rat runs 20 kilometers towards east, then turns to right and runs 10, again turns to right and runs 9, now turns to left, runs 5, turns to left again and runs 12, and finally turns to left and runs 6. Now, what direction is he facing? So first, we are going to solve this question using the direction chart. Second, with our short trick table. So let's start. First, rat runs 20 kilometers towards east. This is my east direction. A rat runs 20 kilometers towards east. 20 kilometers in this direction. This is his starting point. Then turns to right. If I am facing this direction, my right direction will be downward. Turns to right and runs 10. Again turns to right. If I am facing like this will be my right direction. Turns to right and runs 9. Now I am facing in this direction. Next statement is turns to left. My left will be downward. Turns to left and runs 5. I am facing like this. My left will be in this direction. So again turns to left and walks or runs 12 kilometers more. Finally, I am facing this direction. This will be my right. This will be my left and runs 6. Now what direction is he facing? This was east. So this will be my north and this will be my south. So rat is now facing towards the north direction. The answer to this question will be north. Now let's solve the same using this table. So start with First mark is east, right and right. So just solve this much first. East, right plus right. So from east, right plus right is down. So from the down, I am going to write opposite direction. Opposite of east will be west. Okay. Then left and left. Left plus left means down, means opposite direction. So left plus left. Opposite direction of west will be east again. Next is only one word left. If I am standing in this direction, this will be my left. So left of east will be north. So my final answer will be north. So this is how we can solve direction questions with both the concept. First, if you feel comfortable drawing direction chart, use this. This one is little more easier and takes less time. So you can use this table also. It is very easy to learn this table if both the direction are same, like left or right. Then you have to write down. If the combination of two is used, left plus right or right plus left, then you have to write up. If the result is up, write down the same direction. If the result is down, write down the opposite direction. Some more questions on direction sense. So my question here is, from her home, Prerna wishes to go to school. She has to cover the distance from her home to school. From home, she goes towards north. Let's say this is her home. From her home, she goes towards north and then turns left. If I am standing like this will be my left, and then turns left. And from now, she turns right. I am standing like this will be my right direction, turns right. And finally, she reaches her school. So this is where her school is located. Now, in which direction her school is situated with respect to her home? So school is situated here. It is given in the question that this direction is north. If this direction is north, this will be my east. This is west. And the direction of the school will be north west. So my correct option is option B, north-west direction. So see, by drawing a direction chart, how easy it becomes to solve the direction question. Another question is, Gopal started walking 2 kilometers straight from his school. So let's say this is his school. He started walking straight, walking in this direction. Then he turned right. If I am like this, in this direction, this will be my right. And then turned right and walked 1 kilometer. Again, turned right and walked 1 kilometer. I am in this direction. Right will be this side. And again, turned right and walked 1 kilometer to reach his house. So this is where his house is. In the question it is given that if his house is southeast from his school, so this is given that this direction. Okay, school and house, this direction is southeast. Then in which direction Gopal started walking? If this is my southeast, this must be my south and this must be east. Then only this direction can be southeast. So in which direction he started walking? He started walking in the east direction. So see, without drawing direction chart, solving this question is not possible. You can draw the chart according to the instructions given in the question and you will be surely able to solve and reach the correct answer. I have precisely selected these questions from the last year papers of competitive exams and I really found this question very interesting. So let's solve one more question on direction sense. The statement is K is a place which is located 2 km away in northwest direction from capital P. So first I have to locate the position of capital P. Let's say this is my position of capital P. Directions will be east, west, north, south. In the question it is K is in northwest direction from P. So northwest direction will be this. So this is the position of K and this is 2 kilometers distance. Next is R is positioned located 2 km away in southwest direction from K. Now from K I have to locate the position of R. So again the direction of K, this will be north, west, east and south. So R is located in south west direction. With respect to K, southwest direction, south and west. This will be my southwest direction and this is the position of my point R. And this is also 2 kilometers away. So we are done with positioning P, K and R. Now let's proceed further. M is 2 km northwest from R. So first I have to mark the directions of R. East, west, north, south. Mark the direction northwest. So northwest will be in this direction. Again 2 km and this will give me the position of point M. Okay, next is T is southwest from M. So again I have to mark the direction of M. East, west, north, south. Southwest. Between south and west I will get my southwest. Again 2 km and I have got my position of point T. So this is how my direction chart will look like this for this question. Next is in which direction is T in relation to P. Now I have to give the direction of T with respect to P. So T is located west of P. So my correct option is option C. T is in the west direction with respect to point P.